Now we gotta replace the super fucked up armrest. We gotta take these out and unscrew these buttons. And I also bought the brand new armrest. We're gonna turn this to this. There we go. And then you take this little guy out. Let me just place it right here. So I'm actually sitting in the back, and okay. And let's see if I can take this guy out. So probably right here, and that's a little tricky. Wow. They just pop out, and the other side as well, so you better be careful. Okay, so okay, so here we go. You gotta do the same thing. Okay, so after taking these out, you gotta somehow see if I can pry it out. There we go. So gotta do this. On the other side as well. So this guy face up. So this guy face up. This guy face up, just like that. Right? And then you gotta put the new ones back on. Put the new ones back on. There we go. Then put it back. Okay, put it back. There we go. And then corner right here. So you can see the little tail right over here, right? So you basically have to put the little tail right here and then twist it. So it's a little tricky. Right here, did you see that? Put this guy right here and then twist and push, okay? Twist and push. Put everything back on.